Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Welcome to Master 101. Thank you guys for the one that's watching. Thank you guys for the new subscriber. I appreciate it. Um, so I must speak very slow. So everyone can understand me and everyone can hear me. Okay. Yesterday the market was very kind of iffish. The reason why it was iffish because they have a lot of glitch going on. For somebody that doesn't know, glitch is when there's interference in the connection, either via connection or something else, like something abnormal. Okay, abnormal. So, for example, if you used to go a straight line, so the interference would be like there's a glitch. The glitch would be like, for example, there's a crack in the road or some or a car flew up inside the straight line, and next thing you know, either you slow down or you got to go reroute, and next thing you go to the straight line. This is what it looked like, a glitch. um a lot of people had trouble trading. I had trouble trading, unfortunately, but the good thing is I still make money, so I'm glad about it. I did fast, thanks God. So it was like, and even though I was shy because the market was kind of strange. So I still made 15%. Today I'm gonna make another 15%, and we're gonna see if the glitch is still on or the glitch is fixed. But last night, whatever money I had last night, I tried to, they say there's an issue with the vendors. I tried to send money and add money to my account. The good thing is go through last night, but after when the market closed. The bad thing is I was hoping it would be sooner. So basically, I was doing an experiment. So to see how long the glitch gonna be, and I figured out is stay like for a couple, for a while, for a couple hours. Some people is was all day. So today I only gonna trade SP500. SP500 is the stock I'm watching today. Um, yeah, as you all know, it went 670 right now, which is kind of good for everyone because everyone was waiting for the market to rebound. But the reason why it rebound, look at the daily. See the daily right here? Boom. The MACD is about to cross. Is about to cross, and so basically right here, you can see right here is about to cross. Okay. Once you see that crossover happen, this is the market gonna be skyrocketing. Okay, I'll zoom it for you clearly so you can see the crossover right here. Okay, this RSI is already up. They're crossing the signal line already, and the stochastic is already up already. So basically I'm waiting for the MACD to cross. Okay, we don't know if we're gonna cross today, we don't know if it's gonna cross tomorrow, but the thing is I'm waiting for it to be crossed. Okay, so right now is just one watching. I'm gonna tell you when to buy, and you can see also this one, the MA5 MA10 is moving nicely, so it is good. So we're gonna see. So the market is kind of just open. Usually give it like a couple minutes, 5-10 minutes for the market to fix himself, because it just open and there's a lot of volatility, either people buying or people selling. So usually wait a couple minutes. Okay, um I usually have 10 to 15 minutes to see the market reaction, and right now you see everything is red. Okay, everything's red right now. The market is down. Okay, so when the market is down, you just wait, and then for 5 minutes, and then next thing you know, you see it's gone. Okay, I'm gonna trade with my phone. So if you see my head down a little bit, this means that I'm using my phone. So to catch the opportunities. So like I said, right now the market is just open, it's back and forth, and it's early. Usually wait like 9:35, 9:40 for the market to move, and then to have really a good idea. Um, It look like it might be red today since the Bitcoin is down. Um, we don't know yet for now. Um, so let's find out. So we're gonna go ahead and look at, and also there's China. China make a big move yesterday. China opened nicely yesterday. I was kind of surprised that China move up yesterday. Um, the reason probably because of the market was rally yesterday. Since the market was rally, so China was like, yeah, count me in. So they probably were the reason why. And it is what it is. Okay. So China is doing its thing. Congratulations, Chinese people. American people is still recovering since there is the shutdown is still up, so we don't know for facts if the shutdown still going on for a couple of days. They're trying to go come return to find out what's the best idea, what's the best outcome for them to open it. But for now, we just sit down, type, and then watch it. So it's unveiled to us, and we don't know how bad it's gonna get when they open it, and we don't know how good it's gonna get when it's opening as well. So basically, but why not? There's a lot of layoff, and you can see the layoff happen almost everywhere, and this is the downfall of that. And as you can see, silver make a big dip. Um, so we'll see how silver gonna react between today and tomorrow. We're gonna see. But for now, silver is down very bad, and is like 3% silver. I mean 5%. Almost 6%. Sorry, what I'm saying, almost 6%. So it's down bad. So we'll see, and how bad it's gonna get. So right now I'm waiting for the market to make a decision, and the market haven't made it yet. It's still fighting, and right now you see the U-turn. It's trying to have the U-turn. The other side trying to have a U-turn right now, trying to rebound, but it's still early. Um, I'm waiting for the price to cross above that. Let me see, 672. I'm waiting for it to go here. Okay, so basically, I'm trying to make a quick profit. So wait for the market. That's the whole idea. The reason why I'm looking forward to wait for the market, because there's a lot of news, there's a lot of noise. Right now it's not even 5 minutes yet, and the market is bounced back and forth. So basically, you're waiting usually for 9:30. So it's 9:35 right now. So I'm gonna see how the market move, so I can purchase and see if I can make some money. Right now it's 9:35. So basically, this is um this is look like a good time to buy, but yeah, it's gonna be a good time to buy. So I'm gonna buy option call right now. So basically, follow with me. I'm gonna do only 10%. So basically, let me see if it's three now. 1, 2, 3. That's good. 1, 2, 3. Okay, so basically, okay then. So let's look for. So I just buy the option call for 674. I just bought for how much? Let me see. I just bought the 674. I just bought for 34 cents. So for 34 cents, so basically if I do the 15%, so let me see, 15%, 34. You just take 34 time, and you multiply it by 0.15, and it's gonna be 5.9, 5.1. So I will set by at 40. So basically this is the price I'm gonna sell it. So basically, let's see, you're gonna sell close, sell, and then we're gonna put 40. Okay, 40. Okay, so now I just put my order sell, and since I bought it, and okay, so now I'm waiting for my order to be filled. So let me see. Go to option. I do the 674 right here. I bet for 34, and I'm waiting for it to be filled at 40. Okay, so we're gonna sit there and then watch it live. So for it to be filled. Okay, 5 right now, 36 right now, 37 right now. So basically, I believe when it's 672, it's gonna go to 40. So we will find out. So look at the graph right now to see how what happening. So right now it can go either way. But I believe it don't go higher. So basically right now on the RSI, if you go to the 3 minutes map will give you a closer look. You see the 3 minutes right here show that is about to cross. I'm waiting for it to cross right here. Once it cross, most likely gonna hit 672. But right now MACD want to cross so bad, but we'll see. It's kind of early, so it's pushing it, push, push, push. And 674, and it's 36 right now. 36, let's go. 36. Come on. 4 more. 37. So like I said, don't make your trade complicated. If you do 15 to 20% daily, your portfolio by a month from now is 10x. For example, if you invest $100, it's gonna be $1,000 by next month, and then the following one is gonna be 1,000 gonna be 10,000, 10,000 gonna be 100,000, 100,000 gonna be a million. So basically, if you invest your money and you do 10 15% daily, by a month, by I mean by 3 to 4 months, you probably have six figure. Okay, so basically that's my intake on that. It's fighting very hard. You can see right here, you see RSI is cross right here, and stochastic is cross, but MACD cross up and then it's moved really downward right now. So basically MACD kind of battlefield. MACD is kind of battlefield, is still fighting to go upward. That's why you see the market drop, but you can see the stochastic is logically up, and you can see the RSI is stacking. So basically we have a nice momentum waiting for the MACD to cross over. When the MACD is cross over, I believe this when the takeoff gonna be really happening, and we're gonna go probably to 672. As you can see right now, the MACD crossover and it's green. So basically let's see the price moving up right now. We're gonna see now a shiny move down again. This is the dilemma with the market. Sometimes go up, sometimes go down, and we see at the meantime look at the news, because sometimes the news has an idea what's going on. This say aftermath open, a scary shadow darken, monthly distributing. Oh, monthly dividend today. If they are monthly dividend, that's most likely that there is gonna be a dividend between the rest of the day. So usually when there's a dividend, the price drop because they have to pay out money. Let me look at it really on a deep to find out if it's really today the dividend or if it's on the next day. So let's find out. October 24th. So October 24th, today is October 31st. So it shouldn't be issue. So basically, okay, the price is down right now. Question is gonna be bounce up or is gonna be bounce down? Let's see. So right now mine is very low, and this one is trying to fight to go back up. So we're gonna see if it's really going or if it's not. Let's see. But yesterday was a nice rally yesterday, and it was a beautiful. And right now, shoot, we let me see. Yeah, I think the market going down this way because yeah, I think the market going down because when you look at when I went to do this is a 15 minutes, but I do in an hour. I didn't look at it far. Yesterday, that one was moving up when you're crossing over here. That way you see back moving up. Right now, it's kind of like going to cross down right now. MACD. I didn't look at 4, but I was looking for the 15 minutes. So as you can see, this one is going to trying to push down and this one trying to cross down, but the thing is on the daily, this is the graph, the daily so uptrend. That's a dilemma. So if you have the daily crossing uptrend and then if you have the 1 hour going like that, the thing about it is this called what's it called some people call volatility, some people call the market cool off, because what happened is the market usually follow the daily. So if the daily is bullish, so most likely it's gonna go bullish trend. That's what it is. And if the daily is bearish, so you can see the market can go bearish as well. So we can see the daily is bullish, but you can see the 1 hour is kind of like look like it's gonna go down. But when you go to 15 minutes, you see that a big gap trying to see, like you see the big gap down. Once that's crossed over the 15-minute crossover, this is the confirmation that the market is going back to this regular routine bullish. But right now the market is very bearish right now, and it's kind of hard for me. So let me see. So the 15 minutes is still, it's still going down. Let me see the 3 minute. The 3 minute, you see the 3 minute is going down. You see right here, right now, you see the cross down. You see the cross down, but he haven't broke the 670.58. So when 670.58, this is where he's the my other line. So this is where the other bounce. So basically, if you will bounce from here and then move up, that would be nice. But right now we don't know yet if it's gonna bounce since the market just opened and people are trying to put a lot of put option. So yeah, we're gonna see 58. If we cross below 58, I'm gonna cross my option for a loss. So basically that's my intake on that. But for now it look promising that the market gonna go do what it gotta do. So we're gonna see, it's still early. I'm waiting for it to bounce back up. Come on, it look like they're pushing it to go up. At the meantime, this is the worst thing. At the meantime, while the market trying to push her up, at the meantime, the your theta is working against you, your gamma is working against you, because I purchased a one that's gonna expire today. So basically, we're gonna see a high is gonna get if it's gonna go to 672. Look like it wanted to fight to move back up. So we don't know how the market gonna react, if they're gonna let it slide up or it's gonna go push it down. But right now, the glitch yesterday is still about the glitch today, or is still like fighting, and I think the market trying to fight back to go above. So basically, um, but we see the sign right here. That one is not a good sign, because when we see that one cross down, is most likely going down. One, two, three. All three of them are down on the 3 minute chart. If you go further on the 15 minutes, you see that one cross also down. If you go on the 1 hour, you see that one same about to go. If you go on the 4 hours, the 4 hour shows a bullish momentum. This is the confusion in the market. The 4 hour show bullish momentum right here, and the 2 hour showing the 2 hour shows a bearish momentum. So usually 80% of the time you gotta go with the bullish momentum, the 4 hours. But here's the thing: since I purchased the option close to the expiration date, so basically that's why. As you can see, Bitcoin also trying to move up. As you can see, the MACD crossover and RSI is over there. So you can see that when it cross over, so we don't know how high it's gonna get or low. So the market is really fighting right now. Um let me see if there's another news. Yeah, so is 6 7, let me see. So like I said, one cross 650, 6750. So is confirmation that the market can be bearish. So it crossed the 670.50. So the confirmation is bearish right now. So right now we're gonna see our lows gonna get, since there's a lot of payout today. So we're gonna see if it's gonna go tap out, or if it's gonna go bounce back up, because this is right here. And then we're watching. It look like the market might bounce back up. It look like it. So as you can see, just bounce the this line that I drew over there, the MA, and the next thing you know, once it bounce back, and then you're trying to bounce back up. So basically, my next thing is, you have to be 671.41. When you call 671.41, this is when you know the market will bounce back up, and hopefully it's gonna go to 672. So that's what I'm waiting for. So the first break right here, he's trying to break it right here, and it's go down, and then right here trying to cross over there, and then break down. Right now trying to cross over this line over there. I think the MA I think MA12. Yeah, the MA12 is trying to break it. Once that one cross over, so we probably see let me see, 672. So we probably 672. So right now the market is trying to move back up. So basically, a lot of people trying to sell right now. A lot of people a lot of put option right now. but we'll see. It's kind of early. So 671 is on the menu right now. So look like he's going to be bullish right now. So let's find out. So as you can see, he that we bound over there. That's the first candlestick we need, and we need that second candlestick to overwhelm the first single stick. So we need that 671.50 to bounce over, and then after that it's gonna go to 672. So basically when you go to that candlestick over here to go even higher. It's supposed to be higher by now, but again, I don't know if it's because of momentum. I don't know if it's a theta. I don't know if because of a glitch. I don't know, but it feels like the market is fighting really hard to push it to hold it stable and then make it like as much as a seller going on. Because here's the thing: if there's a lot of people selling and there's not enough buying, the price gonna be skyrocketing, okay? Because there's too much seller in the market, and it's gonna be the opposite. But if there's a lot of people buying right now, and there's a lot of people right now, and the market's still gonna be skyrocketing. So basically, I think we're looking for a lot of buyers. So you can see right now, you see that candlestick over here is almost breaking. Let me see what's the highest. The highest one is 671.06. You need to go to 671.10. So, okay. So we're looking for 671.10. Okay, you break that 671.10. Okay. So we're on the right path right now. So now let's go. 671.10. Let's go. There we go. We bounce up. So we have another 3 minutes that just fill up. So basically the question is gonna be if the EMA 3 gonna cause the EMA 12. Once that confirmation is done, this is when we confirm that the bullish is on the way. But let's look at if there's any news right now to find out. They say business confirmed economic stabilization deal with Argentina. China reassure foreign firm on export control at usual meeting. Wait, what is that supposed to mean? Here's the thing: when you have an article that's online, please Bloomberg please Bazinga, just give it detail about the article, because you just give it article because now I figured out that a lot of stuff they put online is just a way to put people feeling. It has nothing to do with the market. It has nothing to do with, they just want some, either they want to buy low, or either they want to crash out, or they want people to lose money. That's how I feel like, that's how I see it. So basically the market is trying to have its best momentum to make people believe in a certain way, so it's not. So basically now the market are down because of this news. See this one right here? Flinch as scary shadow darken, and next thing you know, there's a next news. What's the next news say? Yeah, the news says, let me see the news. Yeah, this news said China and resume on pressure. So basically, that's the trend. All you gotta say is China, 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 and then the market go down. So basically, I'm gonna close my session. So basically, and then next thing you know, tomorrow we're gonna have a better day, because today the market it was they just, you see, when the market is going bullish right here, if you see the daily is bullish right here, is bullish, and then as soon as that 15-minute candlestick bounce back off, they drop a news. Boom, they drop the news. China about is turned firm about their medal. This is what they do. They want to believe that the market is bear, and right here they say the bear will continue to get trampled by this bullish market. So right now at 45 minutes when the market opened at 9 o'clock, they say the market is bullish. And now right now at 9:45 now and 1 hour later, they say the market is bearish. Oh man, this is all crazy. This is what they do. They know exactly what they're doing. They know exactly what they just showing your portfolio. So anyway, I'm out for today. I'm done for today. The market is bull, like I said. If you do 3 minutes, I'll tell you the 3 minutes. Once it's go bounce that line, the 670.50, so it's go beyond it. So next thing I know, the market is bearish. As you can see right now is 670.20. So I'm gonna close my position, and I see you guys in the next trade. So once you get one trade out and then you lose money, don't go over yourself on kilos over yourself. Just let it slide, and then tomorrow you're gonna get a better day. So unfortunately, I lose money today. So because the market was bullish this morning on the daily, and then the 30 minutes was bullish on what open, and next thing you know, as you can see, and we can see right here, and you can see next thing you know, boom, they dropped the news at 9:45 when the market is trying to get a momentum. So basically, the daily was on point. So they're trying to follow which trade is moving the market, and right now they know the one trade to trigger the market down is about China, and hopefully the thing they talk with China and United States fix each other, because at the end of the day everyone losing money, and it's not a good thing, because the more the market crash out, the more layoff gonna be, and the more people gonna be pissed off. And next thing you know, hey, and they can call the bank for the bailout for the company, and you, the average 9 to 5, you got to work harder, and next thing you know, be a slave on average. And thank you guys for watching. If you like my video, give a thumbs up, subscribe, and give me a like, and I'll see you guys next one.